I tried to get this off in one piece, but we've had a little bit break off, but the screws were actually snapped. Couldn't even unscrew them. That one was screwed into nothing. The other one is snapped. Now look at this. There's a screw. That's in the fiberglass in that little corner there. So this has just been left like this under that for 50 years. We're going to clean all this right up. I want to take this now, go into town with it during the week, and we're going to see if we can get a piece of timber out of the same stuff. We're going to use Queeler all the way around the edges, I reckon. We might try a rosewood or something, a bit nicer than a Queeler, but we've got Queeler going through the rest of the boat, so maybe we'll do Queeler. But this piece, we're going to see what we can get. Well, we got it off in one piece, so we can still use this as a template piece, and we can clean up all this edging, and we're going to have to do some good fixing like we did the rest of it. So, what do you reckon, Coop? Oh, you're gonna stick time. All right. Well, I can clean all this up. I want to get rid of this. Put a new bolt through that rigging point. Fix this up as well. Sometimes it's funny when you find like a bolt held in with silicone, and look, it's moving a lot. There's having a movement in that. Well, those cover plates will come up nice with a bit of a sand. They're gonna look great actually. We'll clean them up, restore those. We'll make some new ones of these. So we can keep the existing bolt. The little hook on the end. Great idea. That's what all these holes are for. Bolt goes through, turns, tighten up. It'll clamp the top rail to the boat. Love it. Let's quickly give this thing a hose down. It's been a while. Okay. Well, everything's been hosed down, it's dust free. We've tried to hose in the floor a bit. We've got it draining again. So let's try and sweep up the rest of the stuff out of the middle here. Get it into a little pile in the middle. While the last of that's draining.